أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn Surah At-Tariq. Okay, we'll learn this whole surah today. Only 17 ayahs maybe. Yeah, only 17 inshallah. Let's recite this first. I'm gonna recite it. Then let's look into Tajweed rulings inshallah. Okay, fine. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء والطارق وما أدراك ما الطارق النجم الثاقب إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق من ماء دافق يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب إنه على رجعه لقادر يوم تبلى السرائر فما له من قوة ولا ناصر والسماء ذات الرجع والأرض ذات الصدع إنه لقول فصل وما هو بالهزل إنهم يكيدون كيدا وأكيد كيدا فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا. Alhamdulillah, just 17 ayahs. Let's look into Tajweed rulings of these ayahs. Number 1, والسماء والطارق. والسماء, wow is connected to this scene of the word as-samai. We are not reading this Hamzatul Wasl and also Lam al-Shamsiyya. Okay, was-samai, alif maddiya followed by Hamza in the same word. Mad al-wajib muttasil, right? The mad which is due to Hamza in the same word for haraka stretching. Was-samai wat-tariq. Wat-ta, same thing here as well. We are ignoring Hamzatul Wasl and Lam al-Shamsiyya. Connect waw to this ta. Wat-ta, ta. Ta is heavy. Don't make this waw heavy due to this ta. Don't recite wa-ta, wa. Wa is light. Wat-tariq. This ta must be heavier, or else it will convert to the letter ta and the meaning of a word will be changed. Okay, completely wrong. Wat-tariq. While stopping, qaf will acquire temporary sukoon and we will do qalqala on that. Okay. Was-samai wat-tariq وما أدراك ما الطارق. Okay. Wama, alif mad is followed by Hamza. Mad due to Hamza for count stretching, but Hamza is in a separate word. That is why it is called as mad al-jayz munfasil. Okay, we'll stretch it for 4 haraka. And whenever you see this alif maddiya followed by Hamza, especially which has fatha, you may read it wrong by merging this Hamza in this mad, like wama duraka. Okay, usually many sisters do this. Make sure not to do like that. What you have to do is recite the mad and hamza separately correctly. Okay, don't merge them like wama adraka, wama adraka. That Hamza should be very clear. Don't do any pause here. I just showed you how to make recite that Hamza clearly. Okay. وما أدراك أد قلقلة rise heavy أدراك ما الطارق. This is ma alif maddiya, but we have already learned this that due to the ruling of iltiqa sakinain, the meeting of two sakin, where one sakin in one word, another sakin in another word cannot meet. If they meet, either one sakin should change into haraka or you should cancel one sakin. Therefore huruf al-mad always gets cancelled. So while connecting, this alif mad is not read, but while stopping you will read it. If you stop here by chance for any reason, you will recite وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا two haraka. But while connecting, not ma tariq, it is just mat. Okay, mat tariq. Ta is heavy, and while stopping, qaf will acquire sukoon, due to which we will do qalqal on that qaf. Okay. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ النَّجْمُ الثَّاقِبُ النَّجْمُ. Hamzatul wasl will carry fatha now. Why? Because the next letter is lam, the famous al word used for nouns. We have to add fatha. An-najmu. Gunna on noon and jim with the qalqala. Connect mim to this sa. No whistling sound in this sa. Don't say saqib. It is a sa. Saqib. Ba with the qalqala while stopping, because it will acquire sakin, right? النجم الثاقب إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ. إن كل. Ikhfa is done here, which will sound similar to the word ink in English. INK, ink. No touching of the tip of the tongue to its gums. Okay. Ink, ink. Okay. kullu, two count gunna, kullu nafsin. Tanween followed by lam. Don't recite nafsin but nafsil. No noon sakin will be recited here, as it is getting merged in this lam. Nafsil lamma. Mi mushadda two count gunna, and also stretch it for two haraka due to this alif maddiya. Alayha, not alayha. Alay, and also ayn should not convert to hamza. Alayha. See these two has here. One is alayha hafiz. While reciting these words, you have to keep the difference between the half aqsal halaq and the half wasatul halaq. Alayha hafiz. Okay, you should pronounce this za heavily when you while stopping. This will acquire temporary sukoon, but make sure to make it heavy, or else that will convert to that zal, which is a light letter. It is hafiz, fil, but don't make this fa heavy like hafil, fil, fi, not fi. It should be fi. Hafil, fil. Okay. إن كل نفس لما عليها حافظ فلينظر الإنسان مما خلق. فلينظر. Here nun sakin is followed by the letter za. We do ikhfa. The ikhfa must be a bit heavier, as the letter za is a heavy letter. فَلْيَنْظُرِ ظُ heaviness. Okay, ra kasra is light. When we connect it, hamzatul wasl will be cancelled. يَنْظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ. Insa, ikhfa is done. إِنسَانُ مِمَّا مِم مشدد to count غُنَّة خُلِقَ. This kha is different and this qaf is different, and you should make and keep that difference. Don't recite qaf like kha. It is a khuliq, not khuliq. Okay, by stopping we will do qalqala here. فَلْيَنظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ مِمَّا خُلِقَ. خُلِقَ مِن مَّاءٍ دَافِقٍ. خُلِقَ. Khu is heavy and the qaf is heavy here. خُلِقَ مِمَّا in. Noon sakin is followed by mim. We have to do idgham with 2 haraka gunna here. And alif mad is followed by hamza in the same word. That is why we will stretch it for 4 haraka. Mad al wajib muttasil. خلق من ماء. Tanween is followed by dal. Ikhfa is done for 2 count like ماء دافق. دافق. Okay. خلق من ماء دافق. دافق. Do qalqala at the end. Okay. Next ayah number 7. يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب. يخرج. Kha should be not pronounced with qalqala there. Okay. يخرج. Ra is heavy with dhamma. يخرج من بين. Nun sakin is followed by ba. So now which ruling is applied here? Nun sakin is followed by ba. So we will do iqlab, where nun sakin will be converted to meme, and we will pronounce meme with the gunna for 2 count. Okay. And that gunna will be very light, just like how we do ikhfa shafawi. Okay. Like mim baini. Mim baini. Don't recite it completely like mim baini. Okay. Mim baini. I kind of sound, not baini. Baini sulbi. Noon is connected to this letter Sod, and Sod is heavy here. Don't recite sulbi. Sulbi. Wattaraib. Waw is connected to ta. Watta. Ra. Ra is heavier and stretch it for 4 haraka due to mad al. Wajib muttasil. Hamza is in the same word, and ba with the qalqala while stopping. يخرج من بين الصلب والترائب. إنه على رجعه لقادر. إنه. نون مشدة 2 count غنة. هو for 2 حركة. مدل سلا صغرى. على. عين must be clear and lam for 2 حركة. رجعه. Ra is heavy. Jim with the qalqala. رجعه. مدل سلا صغرى again 2 count. La qadir. Qaf heavy and don't pronounce it like a kha. La qadir while stopping. Again we will pronounce the Torah lightly. Okay. Don't make it heavy here. La qadir. إنه على رجعه لقادر. In all the places we are adding sakin, the temporary sukoon, to the last letter, but we are not applying madul arid li sukoon, as the third condition of huruf al mad is not here. Okay, so we are just applying temporary sukoon without any mad, inshallah. يوم تبلى السرائر. Yawma, not yoma. Don't recite it like yoma. It is a yawma. Okay. Tubla. Ba with the qalqala. And this is actually tubla for 2 count. But why is there just fatha instead of standing fatha? This is alif makhsura, right? Because the next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. When the word starts with hamzatul wasl, if the previous word ends with huruf al-mad, those huruf al-mad gets cancelled. In this case, standing fatha gets converted to fatha. But while stopping, for any chance if you stop here, then you will recite it yawma tubla 2 haraka. While connecting, it is tubla sarair. Okay, connect this lam to seen. Tubla sarair. Ra heavy. Alif mad is followed by hamza in the same word. Mad al wajib muttasil. Stretch it for 4 haraka, and while stopping, ra will acquire sakin and pronounce it lightly. Okay, because the letter before it has kasra. يوم تبلى السرائر فما له من قوة ولا ناصر. فما له. Ha for 2 count. Mad sila sughra. Min quwwatin. Nun sakin is followed by qaf. Do ikhfa there to harika gunna. Min quwwatin. And you can see this waw with tashdeed here, right? and the letter before it has dhamma. So here this is a place where you will pronounce it wrong, like a quwa, converting this waw into waw mad. That is wrong. You cannot remove that strength of tajdeed. That is why what you'll do here, you will do nabar. Nabar means rising the accent. How to pronounce it? Min quwa, quwa. Directly after qaf, go to this waw and pronounce it with little stress, so that you don't convert that into waw maddiya, like a quwa. Okay, min quwwatin, quwwatin, in this way. Okay, quwwatin, tanween followed by waw, idgham with tukan gunna, quwwatin wala, ولا ناصر, ناصر, صاد not seen, ناصر. Okay, فما له من قوة ولا ناصر. صاد is heavy but the surah sakin is light here. Okay, ناصر. والسماء ذات الرجع, والسماء, waw is connected to seen, والسماء, ذاتي, not zati, it is a dhati. Okay, zal with no buzzing sound. Connect this ta to ra, dhati raj'a. Ra is heavy, Jim with the qalqala, but ayn should not be with the qalqala. Okay, because as we pronounce Jim with the qalqala and the last letter is ayn with sakina, there can be a chance that you do qalqala on that ayn as well, like that raj'a. That should not be there. That raj'a, just kind of flow in it, but no bouncing back. Okay, والسماء ذات الرجع, والأرض ذات الصدع. Okay, والأرض, ra sakin heavy, and also that of dad, ardi, dhati, not a zati, no buzzing sound. Connected that to sad, sad is heavy, dal with the qalqala, ain will acquire sakin, but make sure to pronounce it clearly without any bouncing of the sound. Okay, والأرض ذات الصدع, صدع, dal should be there with the qalqala, صدع, صدع. Okay, والأرض ذات الصدع, إنه لقول فصل. إنه, نون مشدد تكان غنة and هو فتو حركة. لا قول, قاف should not sound like a kho. Kha is wrong, and also aw kind of sound. La qawlun, tanween followed by fa, ikhfa is done. Innahu la qawlun fasl, fasl. See, the sad and lam both should not be pronounced with the qalqala, because when two letters end with sakin, it will be a bit difficult to pronounce them and make their sound so clear. So you have to be a little careful there, like fasl, fasl, lam also should be audible correctly. Okay, fasl, fasl. Okay, that should be there. No qalqala. إنه لقول فصل وما هو بالهزل, وما هو, not huwa, huwa, bil, ba is connected to lam, hazl, hazl. Okay, don't say hazl, hazl. Okay, za sound should not be there. Hazl, hazl. Okay, وما هو بالهزل إنهم يكيدون كيدا. إنهم, نون مشدد تكان غنة, ميم ساكن followed by ya, no extra غنة, just إظهار الشفوي. إنهم يكيدون كيدا, يكيدون كيدا, not كيدا, كيدا. Dal for two haraka. Why? We are converting fathatan into alif maddiya. Madal iwad ruling is applied. إنهم يكيدون كيدا وأكيد كيدا. وأكيد أكيد كيدا. Again I kind of sound, and while stopping it is مد العوض كيدا. فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا. فمهلها with emphasizing a stress should be there. فمهل الكافرين كافرين أمهلهم. No extra غنة إظهار الشفوي. أمهلهم. Ra is heavy. رويدا. Again while you say that Y, that should not be so much stretching like رويدا. This is wrong. Just one count stretch, and this should be two count. If you do it like two count, it will be mad al-leen, which cannot be applied here because here we're not adding any temporary sukoon, but we're converting fathatan into alif maddiya. فمهل الكافرين أمهلهم رويدا. Okay, Alhamdulillah, we have just completed reciting and learning the surah, the complete surah, inshallah. Let's recite this for many times now. Okay, Alhamdulillah. You can unmute your mics, inshallah. Let's start with our number one. Alhamdulillah. So let's end the meeting now, inshallah. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.